All right, so I'm just going to kind of explain the messages here real quick. So again, you are going to put your little cipher, your center wheel to the letter C, to the bigger wheel's letter A, and then you're going to kind of solve this problem. So that way you can figure those out. I have two of them, and then I have the last one is the mastermind key. So it'll take whatever letter that was in that dark gray box, and then each of the encoded letters will be each of the numbers that were in your other sections here, and you can write in all of these. I put text boxes everywhere here for you, so you have text boxes to write these in. If you are not, oops, no, go too forward. If you are not able to print, use paper, anything for any reason, I did put a website here for you to use, which you can use. Now, a lot of these, this is a little bit more difficult because it's a little bit trickier to master, but basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to decode. So you're going to need to make sure this is set to decode, which is the plain text on this side, and then what's going to be deciphered on this side. So for example, you're going to have to do some flipping back and forth, but I'm going to start with this first one here. So MKO in the key of C. Here's the key. If you need to shift it, it'll be here, like plusing letters or lessing letters. So A to C is the one we have, and then we have MKO. And now that I know MKO, I could know that that first phrase is just Kim. So, all right, if you want to, I put the link for this in that last mastermind section here. Again, I would prefer you to use some fun craft time, because if I was in class, I would do this where you would cut out yourself, and then we would do this as a class where we would flip the wheels ourselves. But obviously, I know that not everybody can do that, so I wanted to leave you ability to use the online cipher if you need it. But yeah, it's up to you. The last part of this is I want you to make me a message. So you can do whatever message you'd like to. Just let me know what it is and what key it is in. And you can do a sentence, you can do a couple of words. You can say like, I dislike coronavirus. I am, working on ag. I am preferring reading at home. I really like playing video games. Whatever phrase that you kind of want to put in there, you can. If you want to make multiple phrases, you can definitely do so. I don't mind if you cryptography your own paragraph of phrasing of words. Yeah, but just use whatever you'd like to. Make your own secret messages here. Give me the key, though, whatever key it is, and I'll translate it myself so I know what you're saying. Keep it school appropriate, as always, but other than that, you should be good to go. So, yeah, let me know if you have any questions. I know I went to a lot of information in here. I know there's like a crafting element, but I thought it'd be a little bit more fun to do that. And yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know again. I will be happy to help you out with this. Yeah. And I think you can probably find a lot of more cipher stuff online as well. If you do happen to not be able to use this one, you can obviously use some other thing else as well. So, or try to use something else. I'm not sure if it'll work, but I know this one works. So, all right. Thanks, guys. Have a wonderful week. This will not be due until end of day on Thursday. So you have all of today and then all of Thursday and Wednesday and Thursday to figure these out. So you'll have plenty of time. Thank you so much. And let me know if you do need any more time though. All right.